Hello, this is Stewart Heath, CEO of Harvard Grace Corporation, where we bring executive leadership tailored to your organization. In today's tax segment, I want to touch on a couple of things. Uh, Last week they extended the due date of the April 15th uh, tax filing for the 2020 individual tax returns. They extended that um, to May 17th. However, it's actually caused more confusion as you might imagine. Taxes are a very complicated subject matter, and you just can't shoot in and make one change and make it all okay. Just know that that extension does not cover the extension for everything. It does cover the extension due date of the filing of your 2020 tax return and any payment due for that return. It does not extend the due date of first quarter estimated payments and many other things. So I've attached a link here. Don't want to talk about that too much today, but just know it doesn't cover everything that most business people have going on. I did want to take the opportunity to cover taxes again that small businesses will likely need to address in 2021. There is, of course, the income tax, and your business as well as yourself. Maybe you're an owner of a pass-through entity where the income tax burden flows to you, but there's estimated taxes related to that unless you're having it withheld from some other sorts of income. There's likely a self-employment tax that you have to account for as well. That's the self-employed person's Social Security and Medicare tax. There are employment taxes if you have employees or if you yourself are in payroll. There's an excise tax in many cases. The state of Tennessee has an excise tax, but several of the products that you might be selling have federal excise taxes. Fuel, liquor, cigarettes, things of that nature, and many other goods and services. So, and then, as I've already mentioned, estimated taxes that are due periodically throughout the year. And if you don't pay them on time, then there's a penalty, which essentially is equivalent to an interest rate, calculated back to the time when the payment was due. A lot of people have their own personal issues with the estimated tax. However, it's a lot of times more helpful. And as you're doing your planning, it's easier to pay smaller amounts throughout the year than it is to get to the end of the year and come up with a large six-figure amount in many cases. So at Harvard Grace, we help businesses do planning, and taxes are a part of that planning. So if there's any way we could help you, please reach out. We'd love to talk with you. Thanks for watching.